In today's video, I will discuss about Gate.io. So let's start it. Gate.io is one of the oldest crypto-to-crypto exchanges for China operating since 2013. After being rebranded to Gate.io in 2017, it is one of the fastest growing crypto platforms with a landing initial exchange operating platform. Numerous cryptocurrencies, margin trading with leverage, and other advanced financial services like margin lending or borrowing. Despite having a powerful trading engine, the platform interface feels somewhat cluttered as the general not the best starting place for inexperienced investor. It is extremely secure. It has a referral program that allows you to trade with 0% fees as well as a point system to avoid fees altogether. Buy and sell orders are instantaneous and you can create a fun password to make sure your trade is secure. Now I talk about Gate.io features. Mobile friendly. This software is very mobile friendly, offering a mobile app for most major platforms. You can keep on top of this for anywhere you have a signal. No need to run to your computer every so often to check market condition or make trade decisions. Standard UI. Get a standard UI complete with trade, chart valuation and static that makes sense to you if you're used to financial software on which it's based. It is attractive, clean, responsible and very easy to come to grips with. Lots of token. Work with lots of different cryptocurrency, not just the Venuet. Infamous Bitcoin. More are added all the time and new currency come into being on nearly daily basis. This will level off sometimes, but for now it's a bit of a roller coaster ride. Gate.io can keep you on top of this as it happens, with no overwhelming or confusing nonsense to struggle with. Flexible market. Work with multiple markets with traditional trading software and get comprehensive readout and representation of how any interrelate and interact. This provides for some relate strong business intelligence. Easy withdraw. Want to convert your cryptocurrency? Gate.io makes it easy for convert directly into fiat currency or your work through standard comprehensive wallet application with no mass or fuss. This is something that used to be difficult to do, having to deal with a tenuous market to sell when someone wants to buy, meaning asset in crypto traded to be stuck there longer than was idea for fast-paced business environment. Great knowledge base. Take full advantage of the vast knowledge available in the community, both the business, technology and everything in between. Be sure you are making the right choice and make sure any technical question many have are answered by friendly community of enthusiasts and entrepreneurs. The functionality of the platform. Gate.io is with feature. We can trade in cryptocurrency markets. Margin trade with 10x leverage. Margin lend or borrow funds. Participate in period investment plans. Invest in IEO via its Gate.io stand-up platform, perpetual swap contracts and much more. Relatively low fees. Like most altcoin exchanges, Gate.io is a low fee service. It is not the lowest fee service on the market, but there are various discounts. A trade on the platform costs 0.2% of the total order amount. Security. Gate.io team is security savvy. It was rated as one of the top exchanges in team of cybersecurity by CER. There are multiple ways users can secure their account, and their platform has many built-in security mechanisms too. Customer support. Apart from the 24/7 live chat available to all users, it also has an extensive support database which includes a FAQ section as well as new use guide. Alternatively, you can submit support ticket for more elaborate consent. All, Gate.io is an excellent altcoin exchange for more experienced crypto market traders. Apart from the varieties of altcoin, it also lures investors with its lucrative 10x margin trading, perpetual contracts based in-class IEO platform, and even financial service like margin lending. Boring or periodic investment plans. It may be just too much to digest for the market beginners, but everyone else could find what they were looking for at the Gate.io exchange. That's it today. Okay, take care. Bye bye.